This quadratic is probably in a form that you're quite familiar with, and we're going to take this and turn it into this form, which is completing the square. So to do this, what I'm going to, first of all, I need to understand that if I write it in this form, there's a number in front of x squared, which we call a number in front of the x, which we call b, and a number on its own, which we call c. Now I want you to write down b over 2 to begin with. Now b is minus 6, so b over 2 is minus 3. And then we're going to square that number. We're going to start off with that every time. So when I square minus 3, I get 9. Now, I'm going to rewrite this, but I'm going to put a bracket in there. So I'm going to make it y equals x minus 6x. Beg your pardon, it's an x squared. So I'm going to put that into a bracket, and I'm going to leave a little space here. And then this 4, I'm going to put outside. Now, it's actually the same equation. Just put a little bracket in here. I haven't actually changed the way the equation is at all. Now, I'm going to add into here b over 2. So whatever b over 2 is, I'm going to add it into the bracket. Now, it's not the same equation anymore. So what I need to do is I need to take off b over 2 like that. So now it's exactly the same as the one that we started with. Now, here's the really clever bit. This bracket will always factorize into x add b over 2. So b over 2 in this case is minus 3. So I'm always factorized to that. It doesn't matter how difficult the numbers are. I don't need to think about factorizing it. I just write x and then write that number down and square it. Plus 4 minus 9 is going to give me minus 5. And I've completed it. So it's all about writing b over 2 down, squaring it, and thinking about adding and taking it away inside and outside the brackets.